There's an important coding standard you should know about that will make you a more professional Python developer. That's PEP 257. And if you go to the resources section of this lesson, you will see a link to that. It's also linked to in the previous lesson as well. PEP 257 stands for Python Enhancement Proposal 257, and it's the official guide for writing docstrings in Python. Some key conventions in there are keeping the first line short and clear, using triple, double quotes, placing the docstring immediately after the definition using an active voice. For example, a function docstring might say return a random integer between 1 and 100. You could potentially use a comment for that instead, but it depends on whether or not you want that information to be available through a help viewer and to other tools. So someday you might create your own modules. Following PEP 257 means other developers can easily understand and use your code, just like how you can easily use well-documented modules like random. Beyond PEP 257, several other Python enhancement proposals establish crucial coding standards that professional developers follow worldwide. PEP 8 is the most important. It's the official style guide covering code formatting, naming conventions, and layout rules that make Python code readable and consistent across projects. PEP 20 contains the Zen of Python. It's a collection of guiding principles for writing Pythonic code, including famous lines like simple is better than complex and readability counts. And you can actually see these principles by typing import this into any Python interpreter.